We have a British Airways 777 from Orlando going into Gatwick. Sadly, it's not the one world, but hey, it's fine. Alaska Airlines 787. This is my first time getting it. Going to Rome. Wow. That is unbelievable. Wow. We have the One World delivery from Cancun going into London Gatwick. I knew it was going to be coming today. That's amazing. EasyJet A320 flying past. Wow. We have a helicopter. That's amazing. We have a Japan Airlines 777 from Tokyo to Paris flying past. That's amazing. That's a wonderful spot. Wow. We have two Ryanair 737s. One going to Birmingham and one... Oh, that is awesome. That is amazing. We have a Vueling A320 special livery. Of course, I'm trying to get it to a good focus. That is interesting. British Airways A320 flying over from Heathrow. Oh! 2 planes! Whoa, that's amazing. Whoa, what a clip. That is crazy. Whoa, that was amazing. We have a Air India 777 going into London Gatwick. That is so awesome. Whoa.